4.2 Soil formation and erosion. Nutrients in soil: ammonium, phosphate, nitrate, water, air, oxygen, living organisms such as fungi, bacteria, and worms, which are decomposers, and magnesium. So, soil. Soil provides habitat for organisms such as worms, bacteria, and fungi. It also provides an important water filtration system, in which the soil traps in pore spaces pollutants, and clear water will enter to the aquifers or groundwater and supports roots. Moving on, we have weathering, the breakdown of rocks into smaller pieces, and we have physical, biological, and chemical. So we have physical, which is wind and rain and ice, and biological, which are roots of trees cracking rocks, and chemical, which is acid rains and acid from moss. Weathering of rocks is equal to soil formation and broken into smaller pieces and are carried away and deposited by erosion. Moving on, we have erosion, the transport of weathered rocks fragments by wind or rain, carried into new location and deposited. And we here have a visual for this process. First, we have transportation, then detachment, and then deposition. Then we have more into detail how the soil is composed, and we have parent material, climate, and topography. So parent material is soil pH and nutrient content in soil. We have climate, the warmer, the faster breakdown of organic matter. And then we have topography, which is steep slope equals to much erosion, and breakdown of organic matter adds to humus to soil, and erosion deposits soil particles from other areas adding to soil. Weathering of parent material produces smaller fragments that make up geological part of soil, and because of the parent material, they have minerals. And then moving on, we have soil horizons. Zero-type horizon is the layer of organic material, which includes plant roots, leaves, and animal waste on topsoil, and provides nutrients and limits water to overlap. Moving on to horizons A type, we have the topsoil, the layer of humus, and it is decomposed organic material and has worms, soil microbes that break down organic matter into nutrients. And we have type B horizon, which is a lighter layer made of minerals and nutrients. The last one is sea horizon, least weathered, and it is mostly of parental material and bedrock. Here also says that compaction reduces the ability to hold moisture and causes soil to dry and erode. Moving on to soil degradation, loss of ability to support plant growth, losing organic material, and no decomposers, loss of vegetation, and once again says that compaction makes the soil lose their moisture. And then we have 4.2 FRQ, design an investigation to measure the effect that climate has on soil formation. Identify an independent variable and dependent variable in your experiment. For my response, I had my investigation to measure the effect that climate has on soil formation would be based on putting organic matter, compost, in soil, and in one soil, put it in normal temperature, and the other soil put it in cool temperature. This would demonstrate that heat decomposes the organic matter throughout time. And my dependent variable is the decomposition of organic matter in soil and nutrients, and my independent variable is temperature.